So this video is in addition to the first one where we talked about the installation of the lever guide. We've noticed on a couple machines that due to tank warp or some other reason, we can run into a situation to where the squeegee lever will stick on the new metal squeegee lever guide. Basically, it's when you're lowering the squeegee lever, the corner of it could dig into the edge of the aluminum bracket, cause it to bind a little bit. So I want to give you a little bit of information on how to address that. First thing would be to check the single bolt that holds the lever in place and make sure it's tight. Sometimes if that comes loose, you get a little extra slop in the lever. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually provide some washers that look like this in the kit. And what you can actually do is install one or two of those washers between the tank and the bracket where that bolt installs on that side of it, and that'll help space out the bracket just a little bit, and that'll give it a little more room for this to float, because this naturally has a little bit of play into it. Spacing that out should help solve that issue. So if you do run into that situation, check this bolt, make sure it's tight. The second thing would be to put a washer or two, or however many are required, to space out that edge of the bracket, and that should give this room to work properly and move smoothly.